Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Terry and Rob from UVT Coaching. Hope everybody's doing well. We wanted to jump on for a couple minutes this afternoon so Rob could talk about this incredible workshop. It's a four-session series on audio production. And by the way, right when I said series, my Siri on my phone went off. Doesn't that just That's just ridiculous. In this day and age of technology, don't you think it's supposed to tell the difference?
Yeah,
Come
it
on,
should.
man. But Rob, you're going to be doing this tonight. I already saw your presentation. It's absolutely fantastic. So this is
Thanks.
the first session of four, and each session is about an hour. And tell us what you're going to cover tonight.
It's going to be basically Audio 101. We're going to
Yeah.
talk about how everything gets set up, what each piece of equipment is in your mic chain. It'll explain what a mic chain is. We talk about different types of microphones and preamps. We'll talk a little bit about acoustics. What else? Monitor cables, all the gear that you need to set up your system, and kind of go over what we think is the best for beginners and that sort of thing. And we'll also touch a little bit on Adobe Audition, how to set up and clean up audio, do a regular recording and do basic cleanup and maybe some processing to the audio. Just kind of the basics that every person should know when they're getting into this as a business.
Oh, it sounds like the perfect class really for somebody who doesn't have a lot of experience in audio engineering. But as we always talk about as coaches, there's always something that experienced voice actors can learn from, a class that's labeled beginners because, we forget stuff all the time. You
Like
know?
today. No,
Exactly.
there's you never stop learning. I mean, there's no. I said this in one of our sessions once. There's no goal line that you run towards. You're always learning something new. There's always some new thing that needs to be refreshed or some new technique. And maybe like people that are experienced in audio engineering and audio production, they'll see this and go, "Oh yeah, I didn't consider that one thing." I'm going to try and touch on all the basics. So that people aren't too freaked out when they start getting their gear and how to set it all up. That's it. So if you're experienced, you might learn something new. Who knows?
It's going to be great. And next week, Mike Elmer's going to do, or Mike Elmore,
Elmer?
Elmer's glue. Mike Elmore will be doing an awesome class on Pro Tools. So we are going to
Right.
cover lots of different DAWs throughout this four-session workshop. But it's not just about the DAWs because we're talking about room treatment, floor noise, how to make your sound better, some different plug-in tools that can kind of move the needle a little bit if your audio is really good to sounding great. And it sounds like, based on the presentation that you emailed me at 2 in the morning, that woke me up. No, I'm kidding. But I think this is going to be fantastic. So for those of you that haven't signed up for the practical audio workshop, we do have room. We still want to keep the audience kind of small and intimate because that's the best way to get the most out of the workshop. We're not doing this for like 200 people. It's not like a
Oh no.
webinar or anything like that. But we do have room for a couple more. So whether you're watching this on YouTube or in one of the voiceover Facebook groups, the link will be at the bottom of the video, and you can still sign up, right, Rob?
Absolutely. The signups are, I think, open till I start the session. I think that's how it works.
Oh yeah,
So
that's when the gate closes, right as the Zoom class opens, and then 6 p.m. Central Time tonight, and you're going to go for about an hour. Are you going to do any Q&A toward the end or anything like that?
yeah, I really don't know exactly. I mean, as my wife pointed out, I could probably talk about audio for several hours without a script.
Right.
But I'm going to try and keep it to about 40 minutes and then do about 20 minutes of Q&A on the end because I'm sure there's going to be a few questions.
Okay,
Hopefully I
perfect.
can answer them.
All right. I know it's just a few hours away already. So if you're watching this video and you still want to get in on it, click that link at the bottom of the video. And Rob, good luck tonight. I'm sure it's going to be great. And
That'll be fun.
I'm looking forward to it. And then you and I will be doing one together down the road very, very soon here.
Just a few weeks away. Yeah, but that's what I love about this is that it's a 4 session workshop that you really get to kind of deep dive into all the things that you need to know as a voice artist and as an engineer. I think it's good stuff.
It's perfect. And you don't have to cram everything into one like
Yeah.
class like we tend to do sometimes with our intro classes.
Yeah.
You know, that just an hour is just not enough time. But this is a 4-session workshop, so get signed up. Rob, good luck. Good luck tonight. I think it'll be
Thank
great.
you. It'll be fun. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun.
All right. Thanks, man.